How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp, log into your account. Simply click on the chat from which you want to remove or delete someone. Click on their name on top. In here, scroll down and then click on block. Even after you've blocked, you'll still find their name on block list. So go to your contacts, search their name and click on delete contact. After your deleted contacts, their name will not be shown on your blocked contacts, only number will be shown as unknown number. This is how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.